Laura with Laura's Market Fresh Club. Today I'm going to teach you how to make tasty creamed squash. And to do that we need acorn squash, halved with the seeds out and lightly scored. We're also going to use thyme-infused cream, olive oil, salt, bacon, chives, and of course some amazing Parmesan cheese. So the first thing we have to do is season our squash. A decent amount of salt because it's got that thick flesh and that's the only place we can season it. Put a little bit of olive oil on the inside, gently massage it all the way through. And lastly, we're going to put our cream. Just fill it up right to the top. To make the infused cream, you just have to take whatever herb you like. I like thyme. You can do sage, rosemary, any of your favorite herbs. And steep it in the cream for about 15 minutes. Just keep it at a nice gentle simmer. And then you can strain it out and use the cream for any flavorings. Mashed potatoes, cream squash, anything. Now we're ready to go in the oven. So now we just put our squash in our 400-degree oven and we can check it in about 25 minutes or so. After about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours in the oven, our squashes are completely tender. You can test it by pressing gently on the skin or inserting a knife, and if it goes through without any trouble, they're ready to rock. We're going to take our creamed squash, put it on the plate. I like to kind of quarter them a little bit and let the squash kind of pour out like a, or the cream pour out like a sauce. For our finishing touches, we're going to grate some Parmesan cheese and some crispy bacon, chives, nicely minced. And here you go. You just learned how to make tasty creamed squash. This is Laura with Laura's Market Fresh Club.